Welcome to this lesson on herd mentality in finance. Today, you'll learn about one of the most powerful psychological forces that influences investment decisions. Herd mentality is the tendency to follow what others are doing in the financial markets, often without conducting independent analysis. Understanding this behavior is crucial because it can lead to significant financial mistakes. Throughout history, herd mentality has caused massive market bubbles and crashes. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to recognize when you're being influenced by the crowd and how to make more rational, independent financial decisions. Herd mentality refers to the tendency for individuals to mimic the actions and decisions of a larger group, often disregarding their own analysis or beliefs. In finance, this means making investment decisions based on what others are doing rather than conducting your own independent research. When everyone around you is buying a particular stock or asset, there's a strong psychological pull to join them. This happens even when the fundamentals don't support the investment. The problem is that the crowd isn't always right. Often, by the time most people have jumped on a trend, it's already too late, and prices are artificially inflated. There are four main reasons why herd mentality occurs in financial markets. First is social proof, where people assume that others have better information or knowledge than they do. When you see many investors buying a stock, you might think they know something you don't. Second is the fear of missing out, which creates anxiety about being left behind when others are profiting. Third is the concept of safety in numbers, where shared decisions reduce individual responsibility and make people feel more comfortable. Finally, information cascades occur when early decisions influence later ones, creating momentum that becomes self-reinforcing. Understanding these drivers helps you recognize when you might be falling into the herd mentality trap. History provides us with clear examples of herd mentality in action. The Tulip Mania of 1637 was one of the first recorded speculative bubbles, where tulip bulb prices soared to ridiculous levels as everyone rushed to buy them, only to crash spectacularly when reality set in. The dot-com bubble around the year 2000 saw investors piling into internet stocks without solid fundamentals, simply because technology was the hot trend. This led to massive losses when the bubble burst. More recently, the housing crisis of 2008 was driven by mass speculation in real estate, fueled by the collective belief that property prices would always rise. Each of these examples shows how following the crowd without independent analysis can lead to devastating financial consequences. How can you tell if you're falling victim to herd mentality? There are several warning signs to watch for. First, if you're making investment decisions based on tips from friends or what you see trending on social media, that's a red flag. Second, buying stocks simply because they're popular or everyone is talking about them indicates herd behavior. Third, feeling anxious or stressed when you're not invested in what everyone else is buying suggests you're being driven by fear of missing out rather than rational analysis. Finally, if you find yourself ignoring your own research in favor of what the crowd consensus says, you're likely following the herd. Recognizing these signs is the first step toward breaking free from this behavior. Let's dive deeper into the psychological mechanisms that drive herd mentality. Conformity bias is hardwired into our brains because humans evolved to seek acceptance and avoid social rejection. Going against the group feels uncomfortable. Mental shortcuts, or heuristics, make following others cognitively easier than conducting thorough independent analysis. Our brains naturally prefer the path of least resistance. Loss aversion plays a major role too. The fear of losses from going against the crowd often outweighs the potential gains from independent thinking. Finally, the availability heuristic means that recent successes of others dominate our decision-making process because they're fresh in our minds and easy to recall. These psychological factors combine to create a powerful pull toward conformity in financial decisions. The consequences of following the herd can be severe. The most common outcome is buying high and selling low, which is the opposite of what successful investors do. When you follow the crowd, you typically enter markets at peak prices when everyone is excited, and then panic sell during downturns when fear takes over. This leads to significant financial losses because you're essentially overpaying for overvalued assets that will eventually correct to their true value. Another major consequence is poor risk management. When following the herd, investors often ignore proper diversification principles and their personal risk tolerance levels. They put too much money into whatever is trending, creating concentrated positions that can be devastating when the trend reverses. Now let's discuss practical strategies to avoid herd mentality. First and most importantly, do your own research. Analyze fundamentals, study financial statements, and understand industry trends independently before making any investment decision. Second, have a clear plan established before you enter the market. Define your investment goals, time horizon, and strategy in advance so you're not making emotional decisions in the moment. Third, actively question popularity. When an asset is trending, ask yourself why it's popular and whether the fundamentals truly support the hype or if it's just momentum. Finally, seek diverse opinions. Consider contrarian viewpoints and challenge consensus thinking. Some of the best investment opportunities come from going against the crowd when you have solid reasoning to back up your position. Here are 5 practical steps you can implement immediately to develop independent thinking in your investing. First, pause before making decisions during periods of market euphoria or panic. Give yourself time to think rationally instead of reacting emotionally. Second, document your investment rationale before investing. Write down why you're buying something, what your expectations are, and under what conditions you would sell. This creates accountability and helps you avoid rationalizing poor decisions later. Third, limit your exposure to financial news and social media noise, which can amplify herd behavior. Fourth, maintain a diversified portfolio that's aligned with your personal risk tolerance, not what others are doing. Finally, continuously educate yourself on market fundamentals and behavioral finance so you can recognize and overcome these psychological biases. Let's recap the key points from today's lesson. Herd mentality can lead to costly financial mistakes and is responsible for many market bubbles throughout history. It stems from deep psychological biases like social proof, fear of missing out, conformity bias, and mental shortcuts. Your best defense against herd mentality is conducting independent research and having a clear investment plan that you stick to regardless of what the crowd is doing. Always question popularity and make decisions based on solid fundamentals rather than trends or what everyone else is doing. Remember, successful investing often means being willing to stand apart from the crowd when your analysis supports a different conclusion. By understanding and actively working against herd mentality, you'll be better positioned to make rational, profitable investment decisions over the long term.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.